Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have root or sudo access and a verified backup of the 5G config. This prevents service loss. Open the target file with Roman 6 using sudo roman 6/path/to/config. Conf and jump directly to the parameter lines you need to change. Once there, enter insert mode for the first parameter you'll update, band or bandwidth, because accurate names matter. Make small edits, save often, and keep a copy of the original lines nearby for reference. This reduces risk while you work. Once you've handled the initial edits, continue with consistent changes. Use vise search and replace to update repeated values without missing occurrences. Make sure nested entries, MME-IP, GNB-ID, PCI, keep their punctuation and alignment. Improper commas or braces break parsers. After edits, walk through numeric fields and confirm units are formatted as required, often numbers only, such as 100 for bandwidth or 3500 for frequency. When done, write changes with W and don't quit until you've validated every dependent parameter. You finish by saving and exiting Roman 6 with WQ, then immediately restart the 5G daemon. Sudo systemctl restart 5G service, so new settings load. Next, watch logs with journoctl u5G service F to confirm the node booted cleanly and there are no parser errors. If you see failures, restore the backed up config and restart again. That rollback is your quickest recovery. One troubleshooting tip: if the service fails on boot, run a syntax check or compare diffs to catch stray commas or misspelled keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.